Rush in general has had a commitment to comprehensive cancer care for 20 years. This lung cancer clinic or the chest tumor clinic has been in existence for closer to 15 years. And so it's an opportunity for patients to come and in one visit, see multiple specialists. They can see a surgeon, they can see a medical oncologist who's a chemotherapy doctor and a radiation oncologist. And so they can come away from this visit with a plan. And whether they have a pulmonary nodule or not a non-cancer, or whether they have a much more advanced problem, they can have a team of doctors say, this is what we think you should need to do next, whether that's a test or whether that's a procedure or whether it's a way to manage their cancer. And certainly we see a range of lung cancers here. So some people have a curable problem and some people have a controllable problem. And the important thing is to be able to help guide them to what is the best treatment for them. So in the chest tumor clinic, we have a thoracic oncology tumor board that exists on Thursday morning. And so patients that are going to be seen that are perhaps a second opinion or someone from within Rush that has a new diagnosis of cancer, a group of 30 or 40 people meet in the morning, sit and talk about this patient. This is what their scans look like. This is what we know about their medical history. This is what their pathology looks like. How should we proceed in managing this patient? And so we have that collective discussion, and then later in the morning and all afternoon, we see these patients. So whether 1, 2, or 3 physicians see that patient, they're seen with the understanding that a collective group has reviewed their information and feel good about what recommendations we have for them. And the benefit for a patient, if you were someone, say you were someone who had a new problem and you went to a doctor and then they'd say, I'm going to call the surgeon and I'll get back to you. There's no getting back to you. You might have to wait 15 minutes, but that person's going to come and see you at the same time.